The first electric street light in Asia was lit in Bangalore on 5th August 1905. Despite what seems like a head start, the electrification of India seemed like an uphill battle for almost a century. However, in the last decade, India has begun to make strides not only in extending electrification through the country, but also in introducing greener alternatives. Today we take a look at the possible future aspects of the Indian electricity and power sector and top players that are present in the current environment. Keep watching. Indian electricity and power sector. India is the third largest producer and second largest consumer of electricity in the world. India has an installed power capacity of 371.97 gigawatts as of July 2020. When we take a look at the growth opportunities in this sector, their prospects can be viewed in the two plans already put forward by the government. The first being the government's vision of ensuring 24/7 affordable and quality power for all. According to the Ministry of Power, the Saubhagya Mission, which had begun in 2017, where 100% of the households in 25 states will be electrified, has already been achieved. The only states left out were Assam, Rajasthan, Meghalaya and Chhattisgarh. 100% electrification, however, doesn't mean that going forward there will be limited opportunities, isolated only to the remaining 4 states. India's energy demand is expected to double by 2040 and also has the potential to triple. This is mainly because of the rising Indian temperatures and increased appliances ownership among consumers. This would require India to add massive amounts of power generation capacity in order to meet the demand for the 1 billion air conditioning units the country is expected to have by 2050. Another government initiative that offers growth potential in the sector is the plan to double the electricity generation capacity of renewable energy. As of 2018, India ranked 4th in the wind power, 5th in solar power, 5th in renewable power installed capacity. If government plans are successful, the shared electricity generated through renewables would increase to 40% by 2030. Currently, the electricity sector is dominated by fossil fuels like coal. In the 2018-19 fiscal, these fossil fuels produced about 3/4 of the country's electricity. Quick fact. Did you know that Bhadla Solar Park, located in Bhadla village in Rajasthan's Jodhpur district, is claimed to be the largest solar power plant in the world? Spanning 14,000 acres, the fully operational power plant has been installed with a capacity of nearly 2,250 megawatts. Top companies in Indian electricity and power sector. Now let us look at the list of the top companies in the Indian electricity and power sector. First, Power Grid Corporation of India. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, Power Grid, was incorporated on 23rd October 1989 as a public limited company wholly owned by Government of India. The company is engaged in power transmission business with responsibility for planning, implementation, operation and maintenance of the interstate transmission system and operation of national and regional load dispatch centers. Its transmission networks consist of roughly 1,64,511 circuit kilometers (CKM) transmission lines and 243 EHVAC and HVDC substations, which provide a total transformation capacity of 3,67,097 megawatt ampere. Power Grid transmits about 50% of the total power generated in the India on its transmission network. The Government of India currently holds a 51.34% stake in the company and the balance 48.66% is held by the public. 2. NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. NTPC Limited is an Indian public sector undertaking company which is engaged in the generation and sale of electricity. The company generates electric power using coal-based thermal power plants and is headquartered in New Delhi. The company has also ventured into oil and gas exploration and coal mining activities. It is the largest power company in India with the electric power generating capacity of 62,086 megawatt. It contributes over 25% of the total power generation of the country. The company has approximately 9 joint venture stations, which is coal-based. It also holds approximately 9 renewable energy projects. The company's subsidiaries includes NTPC Electric Supply Company Limited, NTPC Vidyut Vyapar Nigam Limited, Kanti Bijli Utpadan Nigam Limited, Bhartiya Rail Bijli Company Limited, and Patratu Vidyut Utpadyan Nigam Limited. 3. Adani Transmission Limited. Adani Transmission Limited is a holding company. The company operates as a power transmission company. It is engaged in the transmission of electrical energy. Despite only being incorporated in just 2013, it is already one of the top companies in this sector. The company owns, operates and maintains approximately 5050 km of transmission lines. 4. NHPC. NHPC Limited, National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, is a public limited company and was incorporated in the year 1975. It was created with an objective to generate hydroelectric power. The Government of India and state government holds a 74.5% stake, while the remaining 25.49% is with public. Over the year, the company has diversified into other sources of energy like solar, geothermal, tidal, wind, etc. 5th. Tata Power Company Limited. Tata Power Company Limited is India's largest private sector power utility with an installed generation capacity of over 10,577 megawatt. The core business of the company is to generate, transmit and distribute electricity. Tata is one of the few companies that are present in all segments of the power sector via generation, thermal, hydro, solar, wind and liquid fuel, transmission and distribution. 6th. Adani Green Energy Limited. Adani Green Energy Limited is one of the largest renewable companies in India. The company was incorporated in 2015 and is a part of Adani Group. In 2017, the company took complete control of the overall solar energy portfolio of Adani Enterprises. The company operates and maintains utility-scale grid-connected solar and wind farm projects. Adani Green broke into the news in May 2021 when it announced that it will acquire SB Energy's 5 GW India Renewables power portfolio for a fully completed EV of 3.5 billion. The stock price of the company grew over 4,300% in the last 5 years, till May 2021. So that's all for this video. For the list of top electricity and power sector companies in India, do comment below which is your favorite company in this sector. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stock market related videos. Thank you.